Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete recently visited pages on Facebook. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. And to do that, open up the Facebook application. And then in the bottom right corner, go to the menu section. And then in the top right corner, click on the gear to go to setting. Now scroll down a little bit and find the activity log. Next is the activity history. This may take a little while for everything to load. Now the filter categories. Next, select the lowest one. That's registered information, search history. And that will take you to all the pages that you've recently visited. And now in order to delete one of them, for example, if you want to do that, you can click on the three dots, select delete and confirm your action. Once again, I click delete. And as you can see, instantly the visited page is deleted. If you want to delete absolutely all pages, then for this, you will need to click Clear All. As you can see, instantly all pages have been deleted. I hope this video helped you and was useful for you. You have seen how you can delete recently visited pages on Facebook. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.